If you run a business or work for one, you have to know your way around a computer, its programs, and oftentimes website development. Programs like Microsoft Word or Excel are industry standards. Where can you learn programs like these and more with knowledgeable instructors standing by to answer your every question? The CAWT program at College of the Canyons. CAWT stands for Computer Applications and Web Technologies. It's a hands-on experience that lets you explore programs like Photoshop, QuickBooks Pro, Microsoft Access, Word, Excel, Adobe Acrobat, and even web development with HTML and WordPress. You can learn these programs individually, or you can follow a 2-year track of courses leading to certifications as an administrative assistant, web developer, or medical office administrative assistant. You can also earn associate degrees in computer applications, web development, or web publishing and design. With so many options to choose from, just trying one course in the CAWT program may change your life.
I wanted to get my bachelor's in liberal studies and go to elementary school teaching. And I couldn't get into the classes that I needed at the time, so I happened to just take a computer class and ended up falling in love with it and completely changed my major.
Even if you have some experience with the various computer applications, the CAWT program helps you discover hidden functions and shortcuts that will make you more efficient and productive.
The other students is when they come and they don't know much about the application. Sometimes they do, maybe they know a little bit of Word or a little bit of Excel, but then they go into the full course and start learning more about what the application does.
The faculty that teach CAWT courses at College of the Canyons offer a safe and helpful environment which makes learning easy and fun.
And the teachers are fantastic. You can't get any better than at CAWT here.
Go online or call today and see how CAWT at College of the Canyons can help you use your computer and its programs in many ways you never thought possible.